I gotta tell you, making a polished video takes a lot of effort. From picking a topic, creating a script with demo files, shooting, editing, to making thumbnails, titles, and descriptions, it all takes time. I've got a ton of SketchUp and LayOut tips, tricks, and workflow strategies that you need to know, and I'm eager to share them. So, I've set up my main workstation for live streaming to break down the barriers and get this knowledge out faster. I'm inviting you to join me on Thursdays at 10 a.m. to watch me work on real projects that I have on the boards right now. I'll be starting from scratch and showing you how I pull it all together. One project is a basement bathroom remodel. I scanned it using the Canvas app, refined the existing conditions model, and then created some drawings with my Condoc Tools extension. It's a super simple project and set of drawings, but I think it's going to be a great teaching tool. The other project is a bit more advanced, but still totally manageable. I just finished designing a master bedroom and bathroom addition to a mid-century modern home. We'll again refine the existing conditions model, dive into site modeling, explore several extensions, and ultimately pull together a permit set. I won't be announcing what I'm covering each week, so it'll be a surprise if you join me live. It might be one of these projects or something new I've learned. Let's keep it flexible. Each session will last 1 to 3 hours, and it'll take several sessions to complete these projects. I'll have the chat panel open so we can hang out and field questions as we go. I'll still make some more polished videos, but I think this format plays to my strengths, gives you the opportunity to see how I actually knock out projects, and I promise it's gonna be fun. I'll see you Thursday.